So I do a lot of Yiddish, teaching Yiddish, performing Yiddish music. I'm not part of the whole Klezmer business. That's not my cup of tea. Because I very often think there are some missing pieces. But that's okay, because I'm another generation. I'm meanwhile the mama's generation, and it is my story, and the young people are going a different way. But I think they should know what stands behind it, and how this Yiddish music was, or the whole Yiddish culture was keeping alive for my mom and helped me and those who are around me to find the path to the joy to be a Jew. And today in Germany, and we are talking now about the year 2014, for many Jews it is still scary that there are Jewish women who say, wow, it is so great to be Jewish. And it is. Not only because we know how to celebrate, not only because we have this great heritage, what really connects us to Har Sinai all over, even in the Yiddish music. And what connects us to King David, to the Tehillim, to the Tanakh, till in the poetry of the Yiddish music. But also because, as my teacher, Reb Zalman Schachter Shalomi, always says, I strongly believe that this Yiddish part of Jewish culture in this big orchestra of the culture of the world has enormous pieces to contribute, really to contribute. And he always says, like a body has a liver and a heart and kidneys and whatever, and every little piece is important, yeah? So if you break your pink, you are not able to handle your daily life. So we all need it. And that's why we have to go on, and that's why I love the National Yiddish Book Center, because you are not saving only books, you are saving a heritage, and you are making it possible for a next generation to use this heritage however they will use it. We don't know how they will use it, but they use it.